Hi! In front of me is Honor 20e, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and following that scrolling down. Now you need to choose security and privacy, then click on lock screen password over here and tap on set lock screen password. Now you need to click on change unlock method and select one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with pattern, so I have to click on it and then draw my pattern. Now you need to repeat it and just done at the bottom right corner. If you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that by tapping on add and following the instructions. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel, click home button, and now when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!